Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Certainly. Converting JSON data to Parquet format in Python involves using libraries like pandas and pyarrow for data manipulation and conversion. Here's a step-by-step tutorial with a code example. First, let's assume you have JSON data in a file named data.json. Use pandas to read the JSON file and create a data frame. Next, use pyarrow to convert the data frame to Parquet format. Here's the complete code combining all the steps. Replace data.json with the path to your actual JSON file. The resulting Parquet file will be saved as data.parquet. This process allows you to efficiently convert JSON data to Parquet format in Python, which is beneficial for optimized storage and analytics, especially for handling large data sets. ChatGPT.